Good afternoon. Uh, Firstly, let me thank GIPC for giving me this opportunity. It's been a very big event. This is the first time I'm attending GIPC, so it's a lot of new things for me here today. And also, I know there's been a lot of in-depth information sharing on IP and the related aspects for the last 3 days, and this is the last session. So I decided to keep my presentation a little short, and also the topic being very wide, developing an IP ecosystem. I just decided to choose a small part of it, which is patent landscaping, which is an area which I'm interested in, my organization is also interested in, and also I thought I would be able to speak on this subject. So basically, what do you mean by patent landscape? How do we organize this? This is why. Why do we need this? This is the way my presentation goes. And what do we want to achieve by doing patent landscaping? How do we go about it? And what is the benefit? So the need could be broadly defined as a snapshot of a specific technology. It gives us what has been done in that particular technology in a particular country, a region, or worldwide. It gives us a knowledge of understanding where the technology stands as on date in the area of interest, in a jurisdiction, and also it helps us to identify people here, the sectors, and also how the technology has developed over a period of time. It helps us to understand that what are the digressions that has happened, where are the related technologies, and maybe some areas where they moved out and then they came back in because of maybe not happening or maybe not interested, whatever reasons, but we get the whole overall picture of this technology area. And also highlight technical areas that are of focus to our R&D groups. And more importantly, once we know what is the technology out there, we can also identify the areas where we have an opportunity to do something, define our future R&D strategies, and work on that so that we can create our own IP area there where we have our strengths. And it also helps shape an internal intellectual property strategy. By doing a patent landscape, we understand how we can align our IP strategy and then further align it with the business strategy, because an IP strategy that doesn't go with the business strategy is really of no use to the organization. And it also helps one to evaluate better what is the economic value of a patent portfolio, because we can understand what people have obtained out of the technology that they have developed, what are the commercialization that has happened along the way, and in turn helps us to understand what we can do out of this.